not working.
What's wrong? What? We just gave everybody a head start. We're super fast. That was super fast, man. I'll get Sarah showing off.
Doc.
Uh-oh. Do you need me to get you down, Sarah? This looks like good Sasquatch habitat and a good source of fresh water for them. I'm gonna help you guys across, okay?
I like that one.
Yes.
And I use the one here. Yay! What?
Okay, a good rule of thumb if you're ever lost in the woods is that the moss grows on the north side of a tree. So apparently you just have to guess which side is north. You're almost down? Awesome. So this is Fall Hollow Falls. You just pull off the side of the road. It's not a very far hike at all, like maybe 100 yards total to get all the way down to the main waterfall. You don't even have to go that far. You can go like 20 yards if you want. They have a nice overlook, but it is a big hill to get back up out of it. It's a bit of a climb. So if it weren't for that, it'd be a very easy hike. The climb makes it a little bit more difficult. What do you think of it?
That's cool. What is this? This looks even faster.
Yeah. What do you think, Norris? What do you think of the waterfall? Alright, stay behind me. Whoa! Oh, it's slippery. Oh! Holy cow.
I am so thankful I didn't let her go.
Yeah. That was scary.
I learned a valuable lesson in making sure you hold on tight, but also making sure it's not dangerous before we walk. It probably was really not smart of us to even go behind the waterfall. We knew it was slick, so it was very irresponsible on our part, my part. But I'm so thankful.
Yeah,
She didn't get hurt.
I didn't realize I was looking at the camera filming, and later realized she had this huge bruise on her knee that I didn't even know. I didn't realize that she hit the rock like she did. I thought she just slipped.
But she like whipped back, and I didn't know until we watched this.
Yeah.
Thankfully, there was nothing for her to hit her head on or for her to hurt her back. That was scary.
Hey.
It's so big.
Is it a big waterfall? You just went behind your first waterfall. Second. Did you take her last Christmas?
Oh, I don't remember.
I don't know if you went behind or not.
Nora.
All right, we are taking a shortcut out of here. It's an old phosphate mine. It looks like it should be a simple walk. It says a 5-minute walk leads to an abandoned railroad bed and a collapsed mine shaft in a limestone outcrop. So hopefully it's cool. Phosphate, limestone. Yeah, this is it. This is one of them. Yeah, we're gonna come across a few. So around 1880, man learned the importance of phosphate as a fertilizer, discovered it here, and began to mine it.
Dinky line. You are now walking on an abandoned railroad bed where dinky engines on miniature tracks hauled small pushcarts of blue phosphate ore to a washer near Gordonsburg. Over 1,000 miles of track have abandoned in Tennessee because the resources have been exhausted.
Let's see. Well, there's right there, and then right over here. Can you see where I'm pointing? There's a hole too. This is good because if mommy falls, you both fall.
Whoa!
Because this is the end of the trail.
Oh, yeah.
So we could go up here and check out this limestone and phosphate. Oh yeah. So this is one of their... Oh, I wish I had my flashlight. It's a collapsed mine shaft. Yeah, you could feel cool air coming out. Probably a bear sleeping in there. Yeah. Oh.
What?
I hit my head on that. Hey guys, what do you think Daddy could do on this rock?
Use a skateboard.
Skateboard? Yeah, that would be so cool. Oh no, I got all kinds of moves.
Daddy just got a skateboard.
No.
Maybe Daddy's getting a skateboard for Christmas.
Daddy, guess what? You got slide. Not in the track. Okay? It's just like this.
It is t-shirt weather We're here at the Meriwether Lewis Monument. Checking it out. Interesting piece of history here. It's Lewis from Lewis and Clark expedition. And this is where he met his untimely death, if you will. So this trail shows all different people that Meriwether Lewis met along his travels. He did not meet these two little ones though. Three little ones.
Oh!
4 little ones.
Just doing my morning stretches. You ready?
So we are in what is called the Pioneer Cemetery, and there's headstones all over the place.
There's a few hiking trails here at Meriwether, and unfortunately we did not do any of them because, well, it's moving day. So we have to get back in the truck and head to Alabama. So if you guys end up coming here and you end up hiking, let us know how it is. I'm sure it's fabulous.
Alright, we are racing daylight here. It's our very first geocache. Our first time doing it. Trying to find this one. We tried one earlier and it had been removed, so now we're doing this one.
What these trees made of?
Vines.
Like ivy.
Yeah, it's super cool.
And it's too dark, it probably won't show up on this. It's cool unless you're the tree that's being smothered by it.
I like it.
If anyone finds it, you say, I found it, okay?
Well, it's gonna be me. So should I just say it? I think I found it.
Ow! Ah,
What?
Look in this tree. See
get
it?
a picture.
All right.
What?
Your mommy will check it out.
Let's see.
A map.
Oh, we don't have a pen.
No pen? All right, we'll leave our card in there. Okay, let's open it up and see who else has found it. The name of this one is Bubblefish.
Oh, these are all this year.
This is awesome that I found it. Look at under the top. No. Wow, this is awesome.
Is this cool?
Yeah, Dad has found one
And the last
puzzle.
person was 10/29.
And what's today? 12/2.
2.
All right, we are going to add our Blues Travelers card.
Because we do not have a pen. And we put it in and put it back right where we found it. Fun! Did you like that?
Yeah. And then other people could find it.
That's right.
Why in the treetop?
That was pretty cool for our first one, huh?
But I had to keep going to find more treasure.
More
there's
treasure?
No more here. We gotta go to a different spot.
Arr, matey. It's not a very long trail, so it was a quick, easy one for us to do for our first one. Now we know what they are.
Okay.
So we'll be hitting these up all the time now, I'm sure. All right, you guys are probably wondering what happened to that camera that Sarah threw. Here's the footage, check it out. Pew, 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 pew.
Thing's not working. seconds.
What's wrong?